Hello all, welcome to KD Code. If you are searching for how to install PIP in Python, then this video is for you. Before diving deep into the topic, if you find this video helpful, like it guys, so that it will recommend to others like you. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Without any further delay, let's see how to install PIP. There are two cases guys. I will explain both of them. Don't skip the video, watch till end, so you don't get messed up in the middle. Yeah, coming to the first case, it is simple. When we install Python, the pip will also get installed along with it. If you already messed up with installing the Python in wrong way, don't worry. Here is the solution. Just uninstall the Python. Go to add or remove programs. Search for Python. Select it and click uninstall. It will get uninstalled. Yes, it is in progress. Now, you can see in my previous video I have already discussed the whole process of Python installation. If you see here, after double clicking on the exe, it opens this installation window. Here it shows two options, install now and customize installation. The first option is by default, that is install now, where all the requirements gets installed like PIP, documentation and everything get installed when we select install now. Yeah, if we select customize installation, these are all the optional features. We can select the options based on our choice. If we check the PIP here, then it will install PIP. So make sure you checked it and continue with the rest of the process. Yes, this is one of the cases of installing PIP along with Python. If you're still confused with this case, you can go through this video mentioned in the I button above. Now let's see the second case. It is also very simple. After installing Python, even though you couldn't find pip, then try with these two commands to install the pip. Just open your command prompt. Use this command python get -pip.py, or you can just use pip install pip. Pip install pip. Yes, it is already installed. It is showing that requirement is already satisfied. So, if you guys still have any doubts regarding the pip commands, comment down below. Also, if you need any specific topic to be discussed, feel free to comment and subscribe the channel to get such type of interesting videos and tutorials. Happy learning guys. I hope you subscribe.